Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to add products in Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to add products in Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to add products in Shopify store. So today I am going to show you how to add products in Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding products in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. For this, first of all open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons on left corner. Click on products. Now click on add products in top right corner. From here, enter details like title, description, media and other details. And then press save. Product will be live in your store. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add products in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.